Old Glory is flying a little bit today out here on my ryegrass at the shop. And let me show you something right here. I've been seeing some questions being asked about this. Let's get down here real close and thumbnail right there. See these mushrooms right here? They're absolutely no worries in the yard. Do not worry about them. Do not sweat them. Don't get upset. Don't get anxious. Don't spray a fungicide. By all means, don't spray a fungicide. Fungicide ain't gonna do a dang thing for that mushroom right there. It ain't gonna do nothing to it. Just keep mowing the grass. And when you mow, the mushroom goes away, okay? Typically, you'll see these things in areas that might tend to hold a little moisture. You'll see them after it rains for a little while. And of course, we finally got some good rain over the weekend. And you can see that bad boy right there. Matter of fact, that might be the thumbnail. Boom, boom. I think that's gonna make a good thumbnail right there. So the point is, don't worry about the mushroom. If you don't like them that much, walk around, take your foot, and kick them over. Just right here's the ryegrass, looking good, setting it up for a striping video, something kind of wild. Ooh, dandelion, need to get rid of him. But look here, look at these little mushrooms. Like that right there. Where's some more? I thought I seen a little bit more. Here's a few right here. Something's been digging in my grass right there, dug at it. Let's put you back where you go. So anyway, quick update on that. Well, not an update, just wanted to give you a quick, don't worry about the mushrooms. Tell them bye. Check you later.